What is Shopify POS and what does it do? Shopify Point of Sale is a software that allows store owners and managers to accept payments and manage their stores both online and in person. Shopify POS is easy to use and fast for Android and iOS devices. We'll be taking a closer look at Shopify POS and how it can help your store. What is Shopify POS and how does it work? Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system that allows you to accept payments and manage the store from anywhere. Shopify POS lets you sell products both in person and online. You can also keep track of inventory and process orders. Shopify accounts and an internet connection are all that's required to get started. For more information, please click the link below. What is Shopify POS? Shopify POS allows you to sell products in person. Shopify POS lets you accept credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay and Google Pay payments, as well as gift cards. You can track inventory levels, process orders, as well as fulfill orders, and issue refunds. Shopify POS for iOS and Android allows you to take your store anywhere you want. Shopify POS is the ideal solution for anyone looking to manage their store and accept payments from anywhere. Shopify POS makes it easy to sell products in person and online. You can keep track of inventory levels, manage orders quickly, and issue refunds. Shopify POS allows you to easily take your shop with you wherever you go. Get a free demo by clicking the button below.